Good morning, children. Today in maths, we will learn a new topic, 3D shapes, identifying 3D shapes. Starter activity, count the number of different shapes used. Now I want you to observe the picture carefully and count the number of rectangles, ovals, and triangles used in the picture. Let's check. There are 4 rectangles, 1, 2, 3, and the bigger one, 4. One oval in the center and 5 triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These shapes are plane figures or 2D shapes. Plane figures and solid figures. Plane figure, a figure that has no thickness, it has only length and width, are called 2D shapes. Solid figure, a figure having 3 dimensions, length, width, and thickness, are 3D shapes. Here, simple square is an example of a plane figure, and if it is a cube, it's a solid figure. So our lesson objective is to identify and describe a range of 3D shapes. Introduction. Straight and curved lines. We can draw different types of shapes with the help of straight and curved lines. This is a straight line. This is a curved line. Here you can see straight lines. And in this portion is a curved line. Plane and curved surfaces. Now this is a cuboid showing the plane surface. The floor, top of a table, dais, and the blackboard all have only plane or flat surfaces. Next is oval. A ball, orange, globe, and egg all have only curved surfaces. A cylinder, a candle, pencil, battery, cell, and chalk have both plane and curved surface. So a cylinder having 2 plane surfaces and 1 curved surface. Choose the objects that have plane surfaces. Here I'm going to give you 4 different objects and you have to choose the objects that have plane surfaces. Write the correct answers on your whiteboard. Let's check. A, that our dice are having plane surface. Then the clock having plane surface and even the curved surface. And then the box having plane surfaces. Now choose the objects that have curved surfaces. Look at these objects carefully and tell me which objects have curved surfaces. Yes, the correct answer is first one is ball, then B orange and D globe all have curved surfaces. Let's check few examples of solids or 3D shapes. First one, cube, then cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere, and pyramid all have straight and curved surfaces. Let's check faces, edges, and corners of different 3D shapes. Now edges, faces, and vertices. The flat surfaces around the object is its face. The meeting line of faces are the edges, and the point or the corner where edges meet is called the vertex or vertices. These are the different examples of faces, edges, and vertices. Let's start with cube. In a cube, there are 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. In a cube, every face is a square. From all the sides, it looks like a square. These are the 6 faces. These are the 12 edges. And these are the 8 vertices of a cube. Next, cuboid. In a cuboid, it again has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices, same as cube. In a cuboid, every face is a rectangle. Its opposite faces are equal. These are the 12 edges, and here are the 8 vertices of a cuboid. Now, a cone. In a cone, one face is plane and other is curved. That means it has 2 faces, 1 edge and 1 vertex. These are the 2 faces of the cone. A cone has 1 circular edge and 1 vertex. Now, a cylinder. In a cylinder, 2 faces are plane and 1 face is curved. It has 3 faces, 2 edges, but no vertex. These are the 3 faces, 2 flat and 1 curved face, and the circular edges of a cylinder. Next is sphere. A sphere is all round. It has only 1 face, no edges and no vertex. These are the examples of a sphere. Identify the solids. Now observe the object carefully and tell me whether it's cone or cylinder. Yes, it's a cylindrical object. Next, is it a cone or a cube? Yes, it's a cone. Next, is this a cuboid or a cube? Yes, it's a cuboid. Is this a cube or a cuboid? Correct, it's a cube. Is this a sphere or a cone? Yes, it's a sphere. So let's summarize today's lesson. Solid figures are having 3 dimensions: length, width, and thickness. Examples: cube, cuboid, cone, sphere, cylinder,